Nahihirapan pa rin ba kayo sa long division hanggang ngayon? So, paano ba ito? 3,048 divided by 12. Since 2 digits yung divisor natin, dito tayo magsisimula sa first 2 digits ng ating dividend, which is 30. 30 divided by 12. Meron sa inyo, alam nyo na agad na to yung sagot. Pero, kung hindi kayo magaling mag-divide mentally, pwede nyo naman yan isolve manually by adding 12 to itself. So, it will be like 12 plus 12. I-add natin yung 12 ng paulit-ulit until you reach kung ano yung dinidivide natin. So, 12 plus 12, that's 24. Plus another 12, that will be 36. Since 30 lang yung kailangan natin at yung 36 ay lampas na, babalik tayo ng isa. So, dito tayo sa 24. Bilangin natin ilang 12 yung in-add to get 24. 1, 2. So, ito yung magiging answer natin. Then, after mag-divide, ang sunod na step ay multiply. Multiply natin yung answer natin at yung divisor. 2 times 12, that is equal to 24. Kung hindi kayo mabilis mag-multiply, pwede nyong tingnan dito. Kung saan kayo nag-stop, yun yung answer natin. So, 24. After multiply, the next step is subtract. So, subtract natin yung 30, yung first 2 digits, minus 24. 30 minus 24, that's 6. After subtraction, the next step is bring down. You have to bring down the next digit. The next digit is 4. So, bring down natin yung 4. Now, we have 64. 64 divided by 12. So, hindi natin agad mabilang. Kapag ganon, add lang tayo ulit ng 12. Kasi 36 pa lang yun nandito. So, plus 12. That's 48. Plus another 12. 60. Plus 12. 72. So, ang kailangan lang natin ay 64. 72, lampas na tayo. So, balik tayo ng isa. Hanggang dito lang tayo sa 60. So, para malaman kung ano yung 64 divided by 12, bilangin lang natin kung ilang 12 yung in-add natin to reach 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So, 5 yung magiging answer natin dito. So, tapos na tayo mag-divide. Now, ang next step, multiply. Multiply natin yung answer natin na 5 sa 12. So, 5 times 12, pwede nyo tingnan kung saan kayo nag-stop, which is 60. So, lagay lang natin 60. Then, next step is subtraction. So, subtract natin 64 and 60. That will be equal to 4. After subtraction, next is bring down. Bring down the last digit 8. 48 divided by 12. So, nandito na tayo sa 72. Ibig sabihin, nadaanan natin yung 48. Hanapin lang natin. So, ito yung 48. Let's count ilang 12 yung in-add natin to reach 48. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So, 4 yung ilalagay natin dito. Then, 4 times 12. Tingnan lang natin kung saan tayo nag-stop. So, dito tayo sa 48. It means 12 times 4 is 48. Subtract. 48 minus 48, that's 0. So, ito na yung answer natin. So, this is how you divide numbers manually if you are not good in dividing numbers mentally.